before going to unboxing, we can check the specifications. Redmi Note 9 is powered with AI 48 MP quad cam. It is same as that of Redmi Note 8, and it has 8 MP ultra wide and 2 MP macro sensor. Also, it has 2 MP depth sensor for portrait photography, and it has 5020 mAh battery, and it's provided with a 22.5 watts inbox charger. It's a fast charger, and the most important thing is the processor, and it's powered with the Helio G85. It's first phone to have this Helio G85 processor. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a case, and it's a documentation from Xiaomi. Looks good. The case has been improved. The TPU case quality has been improved, and here it's written designed by Xiaomi, and also it has support for the fingerprint. The case looks so premium. It looks like the cuttings looks like Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay, let's take a look at the phone. Wow, it's looked like a premium. It has a physical fingerprint scanner also, and this is the power button. This is the volume rocker. It's also powered with the IR blaster. It's seen in most of the Redmi Xiaomi devices, and the backside is not glass. It is polycarbonate, and this is the speaker grid, and it is provided with the Type C reversible cable. This is the 3.5 mm jack. Okay guys, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay guys, this is our 22.5 watts super fast charger, and this is the Type C cable. Okay, Redmi has improved its UI, and it's a MIUI 11 version. We can check for updates. No updates are available, so that it's a 4GB RAM version and 64. So guys, we can test the audio quality.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely ours.
It's an FHD display, and the black levels are very good. Check the fingerprint. Okay, the fingerprint seems to be small, but we can check it. So I have added the fingerprint. Now we can unlock the device. It seems to be fast. It is faster than Redmi Note 8, but the size of the fingerprint is like same as that of Redmi Note 8 series. It seems to be small. We can compare this size with that of Poco F1, but it's good. It's fast enough. Coming to the PUBG gameplay, we cannot find any frame rate drop, but there is slight heating issue. It's normal that most of the mobile phones there is a slight heating issue when we are playing PUBG for a long time, but it's quite normal. And the 22.5 watts charger seems to be very nice. It's brilliant in this price, and it's charged very fast, and this phone takes about 2 hours to charge full from 0 to 100. Overall, this phone is very nice. It's a budget gaming phone as compared to the Narzo 10. The build quality is amazing, and thanks to Redmi for removing the clean master, which is banned by the Indian government. And here we cannot find the Meek community, which is banned by Indian government, and there is no Chinese apps that has been banned by Indian government. Okay, that's why it seems to be like that. The display's quality is amazing, and it's a 6.53-inch FHD LCD display. It's quite good. It's normal in this price. We cannot find any AMOLED display at this price other than the Samsung devices.